अध्यक्ष महोदय, मैं आपको यह भी याद दिलाना चाहता हूं कि यूपीए सरकार के गृह मंत्री ने जो उस समय स्टेटमेंट दिया था और जो उन्होंने हिंदू आतंकवाद जैसी एक नई टर्मिनोलॉजी का इजाद किया था, उसके परिणाम स्वरूप पाकिस्तान के हाफिज सईद ने भारत सरकार के गृह मंत्री को बधाई दी थी। और मैं कहना चाहता हूं, आतंकवाद होता है। आतंकवाद की कोई जाति नहीं होती, कोई पंथ नहीं होता, कोई मजहब नहीं होता है।
The minister reiterated government's position to take all possible steps to defeat terrorism.
भारत की एकता एवं अखंडता तथा देश के नागरिकों की सेफ्टी एंड सिक्योरिटी को अंडरमाइन करने के देश के दुश्मनों के किसी भी प्रयास का हमारे सुरक्षा बलों द्वारा त्वरित एवं मुंहतोड़ जवाब दिया जाएगा। सरकार आतंकवाद से दृढ़ता और कड़ाई से निपटने के लिए पूरी तरह से अध्यक्ष महोदय प्रतिबद्ध है और सीमा पार से चलाए जा रही सभी आतंकवादी गतिविधियों को रोकने के लिए हर संभव प्रयास होगा।
Parliamentary Affairs Minister Venkaiah Naidu has appealed to the opposition Congress to let the House function and not disrupt the proceedings. He said that the government is ready to discuss all issues.
But question is, they must first allow the House to function. I have no problem as far as the raising issues is concerned. We have seen also now even on an important sensitive matter of national interest and concerning the security of the country, they are not willing to hear the Home Minister fully. They should have heard him fully, and then they should have also requested for a discussion on that. And the government said, immediately I stood up and said, government is willing to discuss even on Gurdaspur terrorist incidents also. Every day, if this is the way, then people will start losing confidence in the system. That should not be allowed to come. I will once again call them for discussion, and government is ready to discuss with them on every issue.
The stalemate in Rajya Sabha continued today, with the opposition Congress remaining adamant on its demand for resignation of External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj and Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan, and the government outrightly rejecting it. The upper house witnessed uproarious scenes with opposition and treasury benches trading charges against each other, leading to adjournments during the 0 hour and the question hour. Soon after the house assembled for the day and obituary references were made, Congress members stood in the aisle and raised slogans seeking action against Swaraj and Rajasthan Chief Minister Vasundhara Raje in the Lalit Modi issue and Shivraj Singh Chauhan in the Vyapam scam, forcing Deputy Chairman PJ Kurian to adjourn the House till noon. Similar scenes were witnessed when the House met again for the question hour, as there was no let-up in the Congress demand. The House was then once again adjourned till 1 p.m, later till 2:30 p.m. Lok Sabha also witnessed adjournment. Opposition created uproar on the issues of Lalit Modi travel documents and Vyapam, forcing adjournment.
Statement in Hindi and English version showing supplementary demands for grants in respect of the Budget General for 2015-16.
The House stands adjourned. Correspondent Raj